Introducing my all-wheel drive K-swapped EG hatch build. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have to get this car looking like more of a car, as we need to assemble the entire interior, get the dash in, new seats, get the doors bolted up, as we have to get this thing sent over to Fab. Last video, you guys saw us get all of the suspension and whatnot hooked up, and now we have a fully functioning rolling chassis, and it looks so good. But today we have to go through and get the entire interior put together, as we are getting a roll cage installed. So we have to get the dash, the seat, and all of the door cards and doors installed so they can install this cage to fit around everything we need. But for the meantime, all of these parts that we're going to be installing in the interior is just going to be temporary, as most of the stuff has to get removed right after we get this thing from Fab. It just has to be in here, as they need to do some modification to like the front dash and make sure that all of the door bars and stuff fit. We need to take all of this stuff back apart, as we're going to be doing a custom interior. In front of us, we have the OEM dash. We have some brand new seats. I can't wait to show you guys with all of the brackets. And then we have our doors sitting on the stands up there, and then a ton of miscellaneous plastics up top. All right, and for starters, I think we're going to go ahead and install the dash first, probably do the seats, and then the doors. That way we are able to access everything really easy. I think that's the best method to go about this. Is there any way I can hold, you wanna go to the other side? Damn, that has a dash. I feel like is there not a bracket that goes down here?
Should be.
Right? Or this has to go up more. I think that's it. Other brackets I have. It might need to go on the steering column too. Well, here we go. We have the steering column put in. Hopefully we have enough bracket points. I'm gonna see if there's another one on that side. It's been almost a year since I took this car apart, so I'm kind of forgetting all of the stuff that needs to go back in. Plus I'm deleting a ton of stuff, but we're gonna try to find all these brackets. We already have a couple new mounting points, which is nice though. And also shout out to Dark Matter Coatings. They are repowder coating all of my interior stuff as well. Granted, you're never gonna be able to see parts like this, but knowing that it's nice is a very good feeling. Found the missing brackets that is holding up our dash. We just got those bolted in. I'm gonna go ahead and go through and remove this bottom piece as well. This connects to our center console, but we are no longer gonna be running a center console, so I want this to be very clean. This is very visible if we just left this. So I think it's just a couple Phillips. We're gonna go ahead and remove this, and then we can get this bolted back up. Oh, there might be the threaded bolt still in that bracket that I just put on. Yeah. Take 15. Are you stuck on something? What are you stuck on? Oh, does the bracket need to be like pulled in or something? Oh, yeah, mine went. Oh, mine's good. All right, now the part that I've been waiting for, my brand new bucket seats. I've never bought in seats before, so we have all of the mounting hardware, but let's go ahead and open up these seats first. Dude, these things are so light. They're not carbon, unfortunately. Oh, these are sick. They're comfortable. They seem comfortable, at least. Get out of here. Fuck. Ugh. Aw, oh, dude, these are so nice. Damn. Damn, those are sick. Here we go, the brand new seats for the Honda. These are the P1 Buddy Club limited edition seats, and these are so sick. I think my favorite part is the back stitching. It says Buddy Club. Unfortunately, I did not opt in for the carbon ones as I'm not that much of a baller, but these black composite backings are still going to be gorgeous. Ah, these look so comfortable. And here we go, we have Sparco seat brackets. Yeah, these bolt up to the seat. The Sparco, are these adjustable rails? Adjustable rails, and then in this big box, I think are the PLM sliders that bolt up from like a universal, like from an EG hatch that will actually bolt up to Sparco. I don't know what I'm talking about. I've never installed aftermarket seats before, but we'll figure it out. It can't be that complicated. Oh, this came with hardware too. Okay, one seat rail. Man, these are a nice piece. I've never bought anything Sparco before. Ooh, stickers, gotta keep those. Huge. This is what bolts to the chassis. These look like a nice piece, PLM.
It is a nice looking piece.
Yeah, these seem solid. I'll leave it loose so we can move it around, but. Okay. Lower this. Got it? Damn, dude, holy shit. It's literally like I'm like customizing a car in a game right now. That's what it feels like. Now that we have the seats installed, let's go ahead and start bolting up our doors. All right, we just got all of the hinges back on. I'm hoping we put these all in the right orientation. I took them apart. Did not take good enough video and footage of how it was placed before, but we're pretty certain this is how it goes on. But we're gonna go ahead, two of us are gonna grab this door, bolt it on, and hopefully we don't damage any paint here. Keep going. Oh. Is that bolt loose? Fuck. Just tighten the top one or something. Ah. Yeah. There, I can shut it a little bit. I think this has to go higher. And pivoted way in, like that. Oh, can I actually hold this down while you tighten it? Because that's pretty lined up right there. You good? No, you're good. You can still tighten it. It's still loose. I don't know how I would have been able to do this by myself. I genuinely don't think I would have been able to. And we're good. Alignment's perfect. Damn. I am completely speechless right now, and we'll just take a look. We got the fenders put back on. We have both of the doors on. The new Buddy Club P1 seats, the dash is in. Right now, it's very dirty. Richie is going through and cleaning this up a little bit so we can get a full reveal of what this actually looks like without being just covered in dirt. But I am completely speechless. This has surpassed everything I had in my mind, which is hard to do, I feel like. This is surreal. I don't have words for this. This car is going to look absolutely amazing. I can't think of a better seat that I wish I would have put in this car after having these in. I think my favorite shot is from the back, and then on the rear end of the seat, it has the white stitching Buddy Club. Absolutely amazing. But I need your guys' help. In a few days, my cage shows up, which means that I send this car off to our boys over at Strayed Motorsports and Fabrication, who is gonna weld in the cage, do some welding on the diff, some cover stuff. They're gonna be doing a ton of fabrication. But what color should I paint the roll cage? Part of me wants to paint it with the chassis so it kind of blends in, but I'm also thinking a black roll cage would look really good. And the reason I think that is the seats are black, the dash and all the plastic and the headliner, I'm going to be wrapping in Alcantara. So the whole interior is gonna be black, except for the floorboard, it's gonna be the nice painted finish. So I think my two options are painted to the chassis, black. There is also another option, I could polish this whole cage. I don't know if that'd be too poppy, flashy, maybe not look good, but that is an option. Oh my goodness, video does not do this thing justice. I mean, yeah, it's still kind of in the shade, but dude, this looks so good. Well, boys, unfortunately, that is going to end off our video here as we have simply run out of things that we can do to this car before we bring it to fab. But this thing, I could not be more excited and more motivated to get this thing done as it is coming together way beyond my expectations. What to expect next is we're gonna be pulling this interior apart and we are going to be reupholstering all of the plastic, the dash, the headliner, and wrapping it in Alcantara. That way it will look gorgeous on the inside. After we get the roll cage put in, we're probably gonna go ahead and paint the interior again, get the cage painted. My sleeved block and all of my parts are showing up next week as well, which means we can start building this motor, getting all of that stuff ready. So when we get this car back from fab, we can go full swing on this and get this done as quickly as possible. But thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.